Hi, it's Steve Rosenbaum, and I want to thank Matthias in Spain who found a mistake that I made in the SalesCPR campaign kit. So let me show you where it is, and let me show you where to fix it. All right, so if you go into marketing, and we're going to start with your one-click library. We're going to have to change this in the one-click library and also in the messages themselves. For all of the messages, SalesCPR, we'll go into the messages and we'll edit them. Now you'll have to do this on every single one, but I've already done a couple of them, so let me go here and I'll show you on message number 3. If you look at the signature and look at the variable I use is the lead's first name and last name. That of course is incorrect. That's going to have their name as the doctor. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of this. We're going to backspace out of this. All right, and watch how I do this now. Let's see. First of all, I want to make sure that I got my period and my space there, and I'm right before the comma. Now, I want to go to the variable button here, and we have to click over to member field. See, I didn't do that. I just did this one here, and I inserted the lead's first name. We have to go to the member fields and click the first name. Then we're going to give it a space. And we're going to do this again, and we're going to insert the last name. So it needs to look like this. It needs to say lead owner first and lead owner last. Now if you want to, you can type in owner there, but I want to do it this way. I want to clear it out and do it the right way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all this, just like this. All right, it tells me to use Command C. All right, so I'm using Command C. And now I'm going to save my email because I need to make that change in all these emails. So first, do it here, okay? Then what you're going to have to do for each message, then you're going to have to go into the campaigns. So go to campaigns, and we'll need to go to each of the SalesCPR campaigns and do the messages. So start with campaign launch. And we're going to go into the message right here, edit it, and we're going to get rid of that. Actually, I took out the whole line. So take out the whole line, and then I've still got on my clipboard. I'm just going to paste it, and that's that. All right. Do that for all the emails. First do it in the one-click library, and then do it in the campaigns. Now, the reality is the campaigns are what are going to be sent out automatically, so that's most important. All right. The one-click library, I always like to fix it there. I always want to have my pristine copies in the one-click library because sometimes somebody will call you and say, I didn't get such and such an email, can you resend it to me? And you're going to send that from the one-click library. So you want to make sure that's clean and that's pristine. The other reason is if you ever build a new campaign, you're going to pull that in from the one-click library. So I always want to make sure I've got clean and pristine copies in the one-click library. Good catch from Matthias. Thank you very much. And go ahead and make those fixes in your campaign kit.